You guys ever make trails in the woods and then the briars and the tree branches and weeds just grow up and choke out your trail that you just try to open up? Then you try to walk through it or ride your side by side and you're always getting hit in the face with a tree branch or briar or something like that. Well, I bought a tool to help open those trails up. I think it worked pretty easy, so we'll get into what I did, and hopefully it helps you guys out as well. Okay, we got a new attachment for our weed eater. We put on a blade before to knock down some smaller trees and stuff. That worked well. We're going to be using this Master Force that we picked up at Menards. Pretty handy. You can put different attachments on it, so I've been enjoying it. It's a 80 volts system. So first thing we'll do is we'll detach the blade, and then you just loosen it up, and it has like a pin here. Just pops out. Then we bought a hedger attachment. Comes with a pole, a new pole, and then we're going to attach it to the actual hedger. It comes in a scabbard, so it's kind of a nice attachment. It's got this rotating piece on it, so we'll be able to attach it to here and we'll be able to rotate it if needed. So yeah, it should be pretty handy. So let's get started on putting it on. So we'll have to attach this pole first. One thing to notice about this Master Force Flex Connect kit is that they have this drive in here, and there's a center thing that will turn. That's what actually turns your implements. So that connects into the base piece of it. And then we'll tighten the clamp around the... Okay, should be ready to connect. Should be fairly simple. It comes with a rubber boot. Okay, it's simple enough. We'll just, after we pulled off, it has a pin in there. We'll just depress that as we push in. Okay, pins in, and then we just tighten this down. Okay, that should be it. So let's see if it works. Okay, it's working. Yeah, so we'll go give it a try next. Okay, so we got the trimmer on. I'll take the scabbard off. Maybe my assistant can help. As you see, it's pretty grown. You maintain these trails, and the briars and everything just want to move their way in. Trees grow out to reach that sunlight. So I'm hoping that this hedger will be an easy way to keep those back off the trail, so that you don't have all these limbs and briars reaching inside of the side by side every time you drive through. We'll see if I go, if it's easier to kind of swipe up or down, or just back and forth, see which one's easier. So anyway, let's get started, see how it goes. All right, as you can see, it's pretty open now, so really easy to do. I think the hedger worked very well for this application. It would save your arms quite a bit from using a chainsaw or something like that. It did have a few problems with some of the thicker trees, maybe half an inch or more, probably use some clippers or something like that, but no, pretty impressive. So gonna go around, see other bad areas and try to fix them. So it's going to be something you can't get with the hedger or the trimmer, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this poplar branch from the trunk just to get it out of the way. That way I won't have to worry about it again. Well, I hope the hedge trimmer idea is something that you'll think about and that may help you out quite a bit. Again, the one I used was a Master Force Flex Connect that I bought at Menards. Not advertising for them, just something I was able to get locally here. There might be some other things like that, but it really helped out and made the time to do that almost nothing. You could do that in an easy afternoon. Hey, thanks a bunch for watching, guys. This is a small channel. I appreciate every subscriber we get. So if you can hit that round button over there with my face on it, I sure do appreciate it to subscribe. Go ahead and like the video. If you got any comments, always reply to those. So feel free to leave a comment as well. Hey, from McG Farms, I do really appreciate you watching, and we'll talk to you next time.